Hey, this is Uncle Mike from Teach Talk Trade, doing a little midday update on our scale in trade, one trade we just took. I turned off my system so we're not live, so we don't have all the audio going off in the background with the software that we use. Let's take a look at our scale in trade. We just had a scale in trade here at 928, 928 half, 929. We were taken in all three positions. Our stop was 30 half. We came 2 ticks away from being stopped out, but I guess this is how it's supposed to work. Came back down. We were out 3 contracts for 1 point. And obviously we were looking in this chart, it had turned. We were looking for more downward participation in price, which it didn't, but we're still able to get our 1 point and out, and now we'd be looking to scale long. Not sure what's going to happen here. I'm going to turn my system back on, but if it came down, touched here, we'd be in at 931, 30 half, 30 half, 30 with a stop at 28 half. So I'm going to turn this on. Let's just see see if I can get back in, see what happens here. And I apologize. I just don't want all the sounds going off in the background in your ear as we're doing this recording. Okay, we just would have had an entry 931 3/4, 31 1/4, 30 3/4. A scale long. Now our first target is 32 1/4. There's our point for the people that take our point. Some are all in and all out with 1 point, which is one good way with our system. The next would be a target of 33 half right in this area. So there's the point for those people who want to take a point on 1/3. The others would be looking for 33 1/4, 33 half as another target. If you didn't take your point here, what we suggest is put your stop at entry. And if it comes back and hits you, it does. If not, you can go for a further target. But we'd be looking for a target 33 half anyway. Probably 34 is what we'd be looking at. But definitely, if you're going to let it run, put your stop in at entry. You don't want this to roll over. Okay, folks, you're watching this live. There's 33 half. There's our target. And we entered at 31 3/4. So there's our scale call in the room here live. You are hearing this live as I'm calling the trades. So if you'd like to come in, join the room, visit my site, teachtalktrade.com. This is one trade that we use. It's called Scale and Trade. We have Uncle Mike's Trade Assistant is this software. It has many more templates. Visit the site. You can get more information on it. That's a template we use. You can have a 7-day free trial in the room and 7-day free trial on my software template for TradeStation. But there we are, folks. Real time, 33 half, 34. Like I told you, was the target I was looking at. So you'd have been in with 1/3. Unfortunately, it wouldn't have come and got us. But 31 3/4 and 34 was our target. We'd hit our target and we'd be gone at this point. So thank you for joining me again. This is January 5th, and Monday morning of the new year. And there's one trade we took, and this one we just took live. Folks, we were right in here with the room we took this live. And I have another video I'll be posting later today on a couple of trend trades that we took. But thank you for joining Uncle Mike again. Visit the site. Take a look at our Uncle Mike's Trade Assistant software that will help you in what we use in the room. And please join us in the room if you'd like to get calls and get educated on how you can trade yourself as trade as a business. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.